It's white supremacy that puts the black woman in this predicament to get disrespected by YouTubian goofballs like this one here. It's white supremacy that makes the black man how disingenuous Dr. Umar is. He can't even tell you the truth because he needs your donations. Unlike me, I'll tell your big ass to get off my show.
Listen,
all right?
no need for name
now,
calling, brother.
Dr. Umar, is it white supremacy's fault why our women are so masculine?
Yes.
Is it white supremacy's fault why the average woman weighs more than the average man?
Yes.
Dr. Umar, are you telling me it is white supremacy the reason why our black women are least married and desired in
Lord
America?
have mercy. This one right here, I say
I don't need any money from anybody. I'll tell you that right now, Dr. Umar.
Is this Stacey Dash?
I'll tell your big ass to get off my show too.
This has to be Stacey Dash's brother. I'll tell you that right now.
No. Listen, I gave you your time to speak.
Listen,
this is my show.
I'll tell you this right now.
Dr. Umar,
this is my show.
Dr. Umar, hey, don't disrespect your big ass off my show, man. He can't even keep it real. Is this the person you guys are following? I don't need shit from y'all. I'll tell your big ass to get off my show.